Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the hair guru Carla and I'm back with another video. Today's video I am doing a lace front wig install and the wig is by VShow. It's kind of like a review, so I'm trying to check out the quality and see if this wig is worth buying. So y'all keep watching and I'll let y'all know at the end of the video. So I did 3 coats of the boho lace front glue and I used the dryer to dry it until it's clear. So I'm gonna lay the wig on the glue and make sure it's secure. So I'm gonna rub a little and make sure it's dry before I proceed to the next step. So as y'all can see, the hair has some highlights, some blonde highlights in it. And I did that off camera before I installed the wig, and it did hold the curls is holding pretty good and the hair is still soft, so far so good. So when I'm installing a wig, I always use the sewing method. I sew the back down, I sew in between and where the lace is, the back of the lace, for extra security. I prefer sewing it than gluing the back because the gluing the back don't last as long. So it's like, unnecessary, and it just make a mess in the back of your head because the glue is hard to come off from the nape area when you glue the back, especially if you're not gonna wear a high ponytail. Just don't do the glue. It's easier to sew it than to glue it. So now I'm gonna cut the lace, the excess lace from the front of the wig using the eyebrow archer to give it a jagged look, a natural look. The hair came pre-plucked, but I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it a little bit more to give it a more natural look, so the hairlines wouldn't be that thick and full. Adding a little bit of the keracare wax stick to make the front nice and sleek because she wanted to be pushed back behind the ear. but not really because she asked me for 2 braids, but I just wanted to show her, how it will look when she take the braids down. So I did it like this first, and then y'all gonna see when I'm done with doing the 2 braids. This hair is so soft and pretty. Even though I bleached it, it is still soft. There's no tangles and there's no shedding. I really, really love it so far. So y'all stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll let y'all know overall what I think about this hair. But so far, so good. So the last step, I'm just gonna add the foundation to conceal the lace a little bit. And that's the end of the video. Well, that's not really the end. I have to do the braids, but this is the first look. I just wanted her to see when she take the braids out. But she wanted me to braid her hair so she can go to the Essence Fest. So after I show these pictures, y'all can see me putting the 2 braids in her hair, and y'all can let me know if y'all like it. Leave a comment. So now I'm about to put the braids in her hair, and I'm gonna part the baby hairs. The first look, we really didn't need any baby hairs. I wanted it to look natural, but with the braids, she asked me to put, a few baby hairs with the braids. So that's what I'm about to do after I'm done braiding the hair. But still, the hair is still soft. It's not tangling and it's not shedding. So far, so good again. I'm gonna let her sit under the dryer for like 10 minutes on the cool well. And now she's dry. 10 minutes later, and I'm about to clean her the residue off her face from the glue and from the Nairobi foam to give her hairlines a cleaner look. And look how pretty these curls are, even with the color. It's still soft and it still didn't tangle. I really, really, really love this wig. It's the 14-inch lace front. It's 13 by 6 lace front wig by VShow. The wig is very soft, very pretty. It's 130 density. And the curls are Brazilian curly. And the hair is so very pretty. As you can see, I didn't put any products. I just put some water. And the curls are so pretty. So just imagine if we put some products on there, it's gonna be even more beautiful. So I do give this wig a 10 for everything. The density, the curls, the softness, and how pretty it is, the texture and everything. This wig is so pretty. And I'm gonna get one for myself. So thank y'all for watching. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up if y'all like this video. And until the next video, y'all stay blessed. Thanks for watching.